Good morning to all students of class 12th RS Inter College. Today I explained you the short story An Astrologer's Day written by R.K. Narayan. In this story I told you that the astrologer, after murdering his friend, reached to the south about 200 miles away from his village, and there he installed himself as an astrologer. He told the villagers their future, although he did not know anything about astrology. Yet he deceived them and earned money from them as his living. And the place which he selected was the most suitable for his profession. When he said there were many kinds of shops, like the shops of junk dealer shop, medical store, cloth seller, groundnut and pot seller. So there were so many shops. The astrologer needed not any kind of light because other shopkeepers lighted their lamps, and because the astrologer sat in the middle of those shops, so their other shops light reached to him very clearly, and his profession was conducted till other shopkeepers conducted their profession. And when they started to shut their shops, he also stopped telling future of the villagers and rolled his wedding. And after that, he also started to go to house. One evening, when he was about to finish his job, a stranger arrived there. He wanted to ask some question from the astrologer. When the astrologer looked up, he was afraid. He started to tremble because he thought that a stranger was his enemy and perhaps he might harm him. Yet he held a courage and asked him what was the question. Then the stranger asked the question if he would be successful in searching his enemy. The astrologer replied that he would never succeed in his search. The reason was, he told, that his enemy had been killed before 4 months. When he was on the road, a lorry crushed him. In this way, his enemy was killed in a road accident. So there was no question of getting his enemy. The stranger was very troubled. He was very disturbed because he wanted to kill his enemy with his own hands only. But he got relief that he was punished by the God. He was killed. He died. In this way his life was finished. Anyhow, he got relief. After that, the stranger believed that the astrologer was very true. He had great knowledge. The astrologer told him that he knew everything. He could tell everything pertaining to his life. His name was Guru Nayak. He said, how he knew? He said that through the astronomy he could tell him everything. Even he was wounded very badly. He was dropped into the well to die, but he was saved anyhow. The stranger believed, and he opened his shirt and shoved his chest that so many wounds were made by his enemy. That's why he wanted to kill him. The rate of the astrologer was 1 rupee per question. So at last, being satisfied, he wanted to go away, but the astrologer suggested him once more that to travel to the south was very dangerous for him. It would be better that he should never travel to the southward. If he did not travel anywhere to the south, he could live for 100 years. He assured that he would never travel to the south, and at last the astrologer suggested him to reach his house as soon as possible because his time was going very bad and it was very dangerous also for his life. And as well as he gets a train, he should at once reach to the village. The stranger accepted his proposal and went from there. At that evening, he reached very late his home. His wife was very angry because he had been waiting for long. But the writer is smiling, but the astrologer is smiling, threw handful of changes, that these coins have been given by one customer only. Hearing this, his wife was very happy and counted. The money was 12.5 annas. But the astrologer said that he beguiled him. He cheated him because it was decided that he would give 1 rupee. After that, they took the dinner. After taking dinner before sleeping, the astrologer told his wife a secret that he had a burden in his mind for 20 years. But of what burden was? That he was thinking that he had a blood or he had murdered an innocent person. But that day he got rid of it because he got that person alive. So the burden had gone from his mind forever, and in this way all of them started to sleep in the bed, and the story ends here. Thank you very much. And write down the question answer. Take your pen, open your copy, and start to write the question answers. See your WhatsApp to note down the question answer. I am sending question answer through the WhatsApp to you. Thank you very much.